guys, Melody here. I haven't made any video like for probably over a month and a half. Hey Miso. And I actually made one of these stationery selection video last month when I got it. But after I was done with the video, I realized everything is like cut off by the frame. So I was like, well, I could redo it, but then it wouldn't be a true unboxing video, and mainly I was just lazy. So this is the March stationery selection box, and I have no idea what's in it. I haven't been looking at any of the spoilers. So yeah, let's all find out together. I only took the address label off. I haven't opened it yet, so it will be a nice surprise. Alright. So this is a super nice paper. I think it's a rice paper, but don't quote me on it. I have no idea what it is. Very nicely made. Ooh, a pouch. Let's see. Oh. Let's get this thing out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And let's start. I think this is the carrying case in small. It says if you're a planner person, you've probably seen the large case in many photos on social media. It's a perfect case with endless slots that will help you organize your planner goods. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, it's a nice pouch. Here is a big pocket over here with the whatever that sticky thing's called. I'm missing words here. And we got 2 small pockets. And out here, back row. There it is. So we got another large pocket here, and a small one, and an even smaller one. And in the front, we have, this looks like a pen slot, and then 2 more small and 1 big. This is a very nice size. I could probably carry everything I need for my planning needs with this thing. It's awesome. Okay, all right, let's move on. So the next thing, it says, oh, I cannot pronounce that. Yeah, I'm not going to try it. Vegetable sticker flakes. So I'm guessing it's this one. Let's open it up. So let's take them out. So just different vegetables. Looks like it's see-through. So we got avocados, onions, carrots, cucumber, pea pods, tomato, and broccoli, and I think that's squash. And it looks like it's made of rice paper, and it's see-through. So it's see-through, like you can see the grid underneath. Okay, put that to the side. Alright, then next we have the dot liner. Kokuyo dot liner. This has been my go-to tape runner and can be used in conjunction with the memo pad. Okay, so this is a dot runner. Dot liner. Did I say dot runner? Yeah, dot liner. Alright. I have no idea what this is. Let's find out. Is this tape? Oh, that's all in Japanese. Let's test it out. Yep, it's double-sided tape. I don't know if you can see it right here. It's double-sided tape. next up we have the Kokuyo Tibet. Oh gosh, why do I even try to pronounce them? My husband found this interesting memo pad, a sheet of paper, perforated, so you can tear off what you only use. Ooh. So let's see. Oh, nice. So all these grid are perforated. So you can just tear up just like this much. Or even smaller. Like you can even tear up just a little tiny dot. Well, that's so nice. And there's a little pocket. So I'll keep this in there. And then next up, we have the Tombow Play Color Dot in Coral. Alright, let's look at that. I think it's this one. I like the color. Oh, so it's like the dot highlighter. And the side is a finer tip pen. Let's try it out. Alright, so this is the fine tip. And I guess on the side you just make dots like that. Very nice. I like it. Okay, and the last we have the Zebra Sarasa 3-color multi-pen. Okay. Last month they had a vintage color one I really liked. Actually, I bought a 5-color set myself, but the brown was the one I used the most, and that was the one included in last month. So I was very happy with that. So let's test this out. Black, blue, and red. And I believe this, yep, this is still the clip. Right. Oh. Here's the dot. So let's do the black. So this is the gel pen, not a ballpoint, which is awesome. Can I see how thick it is? I don't see it on here. It's not very thick. I believe it's either 0.38, no more than 0.5. So we got the red. Keep forgetting this. And blue. So here they are. So this concludes the box. We got the pouch, we got the stickers, we got the dot liner, the double-sided tape, the perforated memo pad thing, and then we have a play dot, highlighter dot, and then the 3-color Zebra Sarasa pen. I can honestly tell you everything will be used this month. Last month I didn't get to use all of it because there was a letter set in there and I don't write anybody letters. Honestly, not anybody. So I don't know how I will use that one. It's very nice paper though. This month everything will get used probably very soon. So I'm very pleased with this month box, and thank you guys for watching. In a couple days I should be uploading a video of March subscription box for the Planner Society kit. So thank you guys again. I will see you later. Bye.